going on? It's your girl. It's T. Hey, what's going on, y'all? I hope that everyone is doing awesome today. Hope that you guys have all had like a blessed day, okay? For real, for real. Truly, it's a blessing just to wake up nowadays, Lord. But anyways, if this is your first time stopping by my channel, I hope that you'll sit back, check out my video. Heck, I even hope that you'll try some of my recipes because they be banging. I kid you not. I'll be getting it in the kitchen, okay? But let me know what you guys think in the comments, and ultimately, I hope that you'll subscribe to my channel. If there's something that you ever want to see me make, just hit me up in those comments and let me know, like a challenge. I ain't gonna really tell y'all what I don't like, what I do like, but just hit me up, all right? And I'm also gonna be doing a shout out video really, really soon because to my like true supporters, like, oh man, I thank you guys so much. Like, y'all so sweet, y'all rock, and I definitely read those comments, y'all. I appreciate it. I truly, truly do. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I appreciate it just the same because it's a view, okay? All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and get into this video because today we are making some ribeye steaks, y'all, and we're going to make some shrimp. And so what I have here, I have two ribeye steaks, even though they look so different, different cuts. And but let me get into it too. The reason that they're not that dark red is because I marinated those in some liquid smoke because I'm going to be making these inside on a George Foreman grill. So haven't used this grill yet, so hopefully they come out all right. If it does, then you'll see this video. But anyways, this is a bigger ribeye. This one right here, which is, oh, Jesus. Let me get this. Let me just pick this up. This one is a bigger one. Bigger ribeye, thicker cut. This is my husband's ribeye. And like I said, I marinated in that liquid smoke because it's like raining and we can't put them on the grill. So I usually add some smoke to certain meats that I want to get that liquid smoke in. And this is the smaller ribeye. And you want to pat your steaks dry if you marinated them, or even if not. If you just take them out the pack, wash them off or whatever, you want to pat them dry. You don't want to put some, wet steaks on your grill. All right. And then also I have some shrimp. These are supposed to be colossal shrimp, but they are not. I'm going to show you guys the pack for that as well, which is this pack. And I always get them raw. I never get cooked shrimp. Because when you get them cooked and you try and cook them again, they are going to be tough. All right. And in here in this bowl, sorry, I was trying to rinse my hand in my little bleach water that I have over here. But in here I have some onions that I just sliced up, and I have some black pepper, some salt, and some garlic powder on those. So I'm going to add those as well. And over here I have some garlic butter that I made. So in here I just have 1.5 stick of margarine. I have 1 tablespoon of fresh minced garlic that I minced up. If you don't have fresh, then go ahead and use the jar minced garlic. That's fine too. And I have 1/2 of a teaspoon of parsley in here. I wish I had some fresh parsley, but I don't, so I have to use the dry. All right. So you want to let your butter sit out for a little while so it can get soft, so that you can mix everything up in there. Now, if you forget and you can't let it sit out, then go ahead and microwave it just for a couple seconds just to get it soft where you can mix it up. Seasoning wise, we're going to use I have some kosher salt. Kosher salt is just a little bit, grainier, bigger than table salt. If you don't have kosher salt, then use table salt, of course. Some black pepper, which I had some fresh ground black pepper. And a little bit of oil. I have some canola oil. Now, you can use olive oil, which would be definitely better, but I don't have any olive oil, so I am using canola oil. So now we're going to move on over and just start mixing, getting the seasonings on the steak. I'm going to go ahead and warm that grill up, and I'll be back. I'll be back. Oh, I can't even do it. Oh, nope, can't do it. Be back. Okay guys, so welcome back. So now we're just going to go ahead and get our steak seasoned up. So what we're going to do first is get whatever oil that you're using. And if you have a little barbecue brush or something, let me just put this here so you guys can see it. If you have a little barbecue brush, then go ahead and just brush some of that oil on there. And I put just some oil in a container just because I'm dipping back in there, and you don't want to, that's just cross-contaminating it and everything. So this is only going to be used for this. Trying to get this on there. And now I'm going to put some black pepper and salt on there. I'm just going to sprinkle some. And you just want to eyeball your seasonings. So just sprinkling some black pepper on here. Gonna do both sides. I like a lot of pepper, so some salt. And with steaks, you really don't need a whole lot of other seasonings on there. I mean, I do like a little steak sauce or whatever. And two, as far as cooking wise, it depends on how you like your steaks. Me and my husband, we like ours like a medium well. I like a little pink in there. And so I'm just gonna cook these for like, well, this bigger one. This small one is not gonna take long at all. But I'm going to cook this bigger one for about 6 to maybe 8 minutes per side. Because he likes it medium well. So it depends on your taste buds. If you like your steaks all the way, well done, then you're gonna have to cook it longer. I'm not sure. Really, shoot, how long you gotta cook it for a medium? I mean, for a well done steak, that's gonna be a minute. Cause if I'm cooking this for like 6 to 8 minutes, I'm thinking about 10 to 11 minutes for well done. But I don't like a well done steak. Now I don't want to run around my plate either. Oh, I forgot to put some oil on that side. I'm trying to hurry up. Get this done. Just gonna sprinkle some on there and rub it. It's fine. It's all good. Just gonna pour a little bit on there. So, some salt. And with steaks, you can be generous with your salt as well. That's gonna help give it a nice sear. Guys, so welcome back. So now I'm about to put these steaks on this grill. Let's go ahead and get these on here. Now I have not used this yet, so hopefully it comes out right. So I'm just gonna put this on here. Press it down. And I'm gonna put the top on. Gonna let these go. The top on, and I'm gonna let these go for about 6 to 8 minutes. Kind of put a couple of my onions on here. Alright guys, I'll bring you guys back. I'm about to cover it up and let it go. Okay guys, so my smaller steak, I'm going to check it. It's been about 3 minutes. You know, this one is smaller. This one is going to take longer to cook. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this one. Trying to move my onions over. Press it down a little bit. Still got enough oil on there. Let's go. Alright, the smaller one is going to be done definitely quicker than that one, alright? We'll be back. Guys, so welcome back. So I took my other onions off and put some more on. This right here, this one is about done. Trying to move my onions over. And now I'm just gonna turn this one, get some grill marks on there. And then I'm gonna flip that one over in a minute. And I'll bring you guys back to put some of my butter on this. Yeah, I'm gonna put some on there now. I want it to be on all sides. Some of that garlic butter on there. Let it go for a second because I'm about to turn that one over. We'll be back. Hey guys, so I went ahead and I flipped over that bigger steak. And now I'm just going to flip this one over because this one is actually done. But I wanted to cook in some of that garlic butter right there. Add a little bit more on there. I'm going to take this one off and let it rest. I'm just going to cover this back up. And let this one go a little bit. And I'll bring you guys back. Okay, so all I did was put that other steak off and put this one on. And I put some of that garlic butter on top. And I put a little bit over here and add a little bit more. Now we're about to just put these shrimp right on there. Now, I shouldn't even take the shrimp long at all. Okay, so now I'm about to just flip this steak over. There's onions on there. Put the rest of my little garlic butter on top of that. Half of it. More over here. Probably should definitely need a little bit more. That just tastes so good. And let me go ahead and turn these over. It smells so good, y'all. I swear. They really, really smell good. And your shrimp, you know, are done because they're curling up. And once they turn pink, they're ready. I'm just going to let this side cook on these. And we're going to be taking these babies off. What is that? I wish I could smell this. They really do smell awesome. I'm about to take those babies off. And I'll bring you guys back, alright? Hey everybody, welcome back. So we're done, y'all. Come on now. That looks very, very good. And it smells good. And I tasted some of the shrimp and it was good. But with the steak now, we're going to let that steak just rest a little bit. You don't want to cut right into it. So I'm going to just let it rest for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Then go ahead and let my husband go ahead and get into his food. But this is dinner, y'all. Baked potato on the side with some broccoli, some green beans, and some yellow carrots with some bell peppers in there. Look at that steak, y'all. Go ahead, y'all. Y'all know that looks good. O-M-G. T-O-M-G. Look at that. Oh yeah, see all the juices right there? Gotta let that rest. We want that to get back on the inside of that steak. But as always, guys, I thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you all have a blessed day. I wish I could go ahead and cut into it for y'all, but I can't. That ain't even my steak. It's my husband's. All right, y'all. Stay forever blessed, y'all. It's just tea.